Well, here we are on Scotland's west coast, and the beach gives a clue to where we are. Black Slate Beach. We're in the Slate Islands. Tango's back. Go on. We're ready to go. Tobaroniki. It's about 45 degrees. Stifling. So we're cooling down in the water before we start. At 45, that's about 50 now. Heading out into Schooner Sound and down to the southern tip of the island of Luing, where we are now. And we'll have a look at the west side, Firth of Lorn. Some big currents round there, 6-7 knots, and springs. We're on reefs at the moment. It is absolutely beautiful. We've been out less than 5 minutes and we've got our first otter just over to the right here, just right at the bottom, about 70 or 80 metres off the starboard bow. If it's anything like that last one, if you just head towards it, it'll probably come up. Say again?
I think it's lying at its back doing that thing where it's paused.
Right. That's 10 minutes in the water, and we've seen an otter and a seal. It could be a good day. This coastline down here is very remote. There's nothing down here, no roads, no paths, no houses, nothing. Once we get past this headland. 2 things in the water dead ahead. Probably seals. Yeah, seals. See it? To the left there is the island of Schooner. It's not to be confused with the same schooner that we were on a few weeks ago at Port Appin, Loch Linney. This is a different island schooner. Beyond that, the island right ahead there's Risa McFadgen or something? Risa McFadgen. Old clumpy islands here. Can't remember their names. Beyond that is the headland for Loch Craignish. Really fast current runs from the end of that headland called the Dorismore. So I can't remember what speed it is. It's something like 10 knots or something. It's a ridiculous speed. So we will be avoiding that. Unless you fancy the Dorismore, go on.
What's it called?
The Dorismore. I think we'll give that a miss. It's coming down towards the southern tip of Luing Island. Expecting the current to pick up down here. That wee island there is it's Skurnan Fire. Skurnan Fire. The one next to it, there's another bigger island. It's just coming into view. It's round here. Just on the headland. Just behind Captain Tango there. That one is called Ruba Erdling. This is at the southern tip of Luing, Isle of Luing. Talking about the currents here, there's some really big currents here. We've got the grey dogs, which runs on spring tides at 8.5 knots. Then just at the north end of the Jura there, you've got Corrie Vrecken, which is, I believe, the third biggest whirlpool in the world. You really don't want to catch a Corrie Vrecken at the wrong time. And now would be the wrong time. So we'll be steering well clear of that. Because the current should pick up. That'll be in our face as well, we'll be against it. Nice wee break on the Slate Island. Black slate. Doesn't look black for here, but that's because it's covered in barnacles. And an otter popped up right next to us on the rock. The Gopros weren't running. By the time we got it on, it's in the water. It's literally a few metres from us. What's that one? Yeah. Colourful. Luing, one there. Scarlet further down. Jura. The Slate Islands. The Flying Dutchman. It's the Flying Dutchman, that's Davy Jones's bloody ship, isn't it? Pirates of the Caribbean. Used to be the pub that my father used to work in at the bottom of Bar Street in Portobello. Flying Dutchman. That's the Dutch flag she's flying, isn't it? Dutch or the Belgian, one of the two. And the Scottish. See the saltire. Marina here. Big rusting hull of an old ship. This is a propeller. Worth a few bob and scrap alone, eh? Could clear our waters, and it looks a bit weird with all that black slate on the seabed, doesn't it?
That's a good shot there.
Let's see if we can get that propeller off.
I'll go get a pair of pliers.
Take it down to Dalton's, see what it'll give us for it.
Christy Waters, maybe? Or Christine Waters?
Christine Waters.
Is her name? Things that weighed 7 tons or something.
Well, so it's back where we started. Bad day. Beautiful weather and stunning views. A very pleasant day at Toberonicky, round the Slate Isles, island of Luing.